Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to circle to search with your camera. So Samsung's new AI-powered feature lets you search anything on the screen just by circling it. So this includes on the screen. However, Samsung has done it one more better. So this also includes object in your camera view. So as you know, if I go ahead and press my home screen, this will open up circle to search from Google. So I can go ahead and circle anywhere, and this will basically look on the internet for that specific item, what I've searched for or whatever I've circled. However, now you can go ahead and use your camera and you can use a circle to search. So say for example, this battery here, I'll want to know what this battery is about and I want to buy another battery similar to this. So I can go ahead and long press on the home screen. This will enable circle to search. I can go ahead and circle this. This will now look on the internet what this is. So as you can see, this is a Sony NP-FZ100 rechargeable battery. So I can go ahead and browse through the internet and see what it is and where to buy it. So you basically aim it at anything, shoes, logo, sign, and Google will instantly fetch the results. So it's super useful for shopping, translation, or identifying anything on the go. No need to type or describe, just point and circle to search. So there you go guys, that is how to circle to search with your camera on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.